To add a property or properties on Properbuz is absolutely free. There is no charges at all. I'm going to show you how to add a property or so many properties at once. Now what you have to do is to go here and click on Log In. You have two options here, Sign Up and Log In. If you don't have an account, then you would need to sign up. But if you already have an account, then click on Log In. Once you've logged in or signed up, you're going to get to this page, and this page is called Newsfeed. If you want to upload so many properties at once, then click here, Upload your property XML. Then select XML file from your computer and click on Upload File. Your XML will then go to a queue and will be listed shortly. How do you know when your properties are listed? All you have to do is to click on Home, which is Newsfeed, and from Newsfeed, click on Search Dashboard, then click on Manage Properties. If your properties are already listed, you will see it there on Manage Properties, and it doesn't matter if you listed 200, 500, or even 10,000 properties. All will be showing there. If you want to add just one property, all you have to do is to click here, Add Properties. Select Listing Type if you are listing for sale property or rental property. Then select Property Type of what you want to list. Then fill in the information below and add photos of the property you are listing. Once you're done, then click on Add and your property will be sent to admin for approval. Once your property has been approved, then you will see it on Manage Property I explained about earlier.